Hello art lovers, and welcome to my art studio. This is Barbara Ryan, and today I'm going to be showing you a time-lapse video of a 30 by 40 inch painting that I completed of a local Virginia vineyard. Walking around the vineyard, I was struck by the difference between the geometric lines of the grapevines in the fields contrasting with the carefree placement of the wildflowers that were growing. So that is what I chose to paint. I hope you enjoy watching and that you get inspired to do a beautiful oil painting yourself. Enjoy! Okay, so we are approaching the end of the video, and I'm going to show the finished painting again to describe how I have focused the composition to move from the foreground wildflowers up and back into the different levels of fields. I have the red flowers in the right foreground facing inwards towards the blue flowers, which then face inward the other direction, leading the eye up into the middle ground field, which again leads up into the rows of grapes, which leads up into the sky. Every aspect of the composition leads us through the painting and out again to the setting sun. The reference material I used didn't necessarily look exactly like this because I had to use the composition to lead the eye around the painting. This is something that needs to be done in the very beginning process of planning your paintings. It's a huge part of the overall process. So keep that in mind. Thanks again for joining me and watching my painting process for painting Blooming Vineyard. And if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to ask. Happy painting!